Is wholesaling illegal? I'm gonna first start this video out with a legal disclaimer. What are you doing getting legal advice from a YouTuber? You need to call an attorney like right now, but first watch this video. In this video, I'm going to go into why some people might think wholesaling is illegal, what some states are doing to try to make it difficult to wholesale properties, which is why you might think it's illegal. And most importantly, I'm gonna go into why you should never get legal advice from a YouTuber. So, is wholesaling illegal? No, contract assignments are present in every industry. Wholesaling is very much legal. Some people can try to argue this, but I'm going to tell you big changes would have to be made on a federal level to make wholesaling illegal. In fact, if you go to the sec.gov website, you can find a sample assignment agreement. Now, if wholesaling was illegal, would you be able to go to a government website and find an assignment agreement? No. So why do some people think wholesaling is illegal? Most likely, when you hear wholesaling is illegal, it's usually coming from an uneducated realtor. What I mean by uneducated is they don't teach wholesaling or contract assignments in realtor classes. I know because I am a licensed realtor myself. They don't go into contract assignments at all. So it's not uncommon to tell a realtor what you do, and they might reply with, wait, you can't do that. You need to have a real estate license. Well, in most states, that's just incorrect. At least it's incorrect per the timing of me filming this video. Now let's pause right there. Have any of you guys had a realtor try to tell you wholesaling is illegal? If you have, drop it in the comments below. Now, another reason you might think that wholesaling is illegal is actually a very valid reason, and this is a state-by-state thing. There are states right now that are trying to make it difficult on how wholesalers market their properties. So they're not saying that you cannot assign your contracts, but what the states are doing is they're requiring either licenses or there are more requirements on how you can actually market these properties that you have equitable interest in. So essentially, they're not saying that contract assignments are illegal or wholesaling is illegal, but what they are doing is they're limiting the ways that you can market these properties. And that makes it a little bit more difficult for wholesalers to get their available properties out to buyers that are interested. This is different state by state. I've seen different states do this differently. Some states require that you have a real estate license. I have seen in a state that I personally do deals in that you cannot publicly market a property that you have equitable interest in, but you can privately market it to buyers that are in your own database, as long as you are not putting it online or you're not putting it in a public area. Some states are totally fine with you publicly marketing, as long as you are very specific that you are saying you are selling a contract and you are not in any way implying that you are selling an actual property. So again, this is a state-by-state thing. And the best way to figure out where your state falls in is just contacting an attorney that specializes in our industry. So again, how do you find out the rules? You find a local attorney. You guys, do not get legal advice from a YouTuber. Do not get legal advice from this video. I am just educating you. I'm giving you some ideas, but what I want you to do is take these ideas and go to your local attorney in that state. Find an attorney that stays on top of wholesaling or contract assignments in this area. The best way to find that type of attorney is to ask other wholesalers in the area or other real estate investors, and they usually can give you a name or a recommendation. So, why should you never get legal advice from a YouTube video? No YouTuber is going to know all the laws for every state in the country. It is very important that you learn the laws that apply to your state. I don't even know all the laws, and I have students in every state in the country. The best $300 you will ever spend is a 1-hour consultation with a knowledgeable attorney. Do not feel shy to ask these attorneys all your questions. I know it's a little intimidating working with attorneys, and you might feel almost like you're gonna get in trouble, but be completely candid and open with them. They are here to help you and to give you legal advice. Don't feel shy like you're in trouble. The attorney is there to provide good legal advice. And honestly, it is the best hour you will spend asking them all the questions you have to make sure you're really, really clear of all the laws in your state. So definitely call a local attorney and get educated on that. A question I love to ask attorneys, and you guys can write this down, is I say to the attorney, if I get sued, would you defend me based on the advice that you gave me? And if their answer is no, you need to run. You want to make sure that the attorney is confident in the advice that they're giving you. Now, wholesaling can get very technical. If you guys want to learn more, I've got a free mini course. Check out laurenhardyofficial.com and get the free mini course. It's a little taste of the coaching program that I provide. If you're more interested in a coaching program, check out www.virtualinvestingmastery.com. I've got a ton of successful students, and I would love to have you part of the group. I'm gonna leave with that, guys. Hopefully you got something out of this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.